Good morning! Today is November 17, 2023 Friday, and here are the 10:30 a.m. STL Visayas result today. Here are the STL Square 3 10:30 a.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for November 17, 2023 Friday. Here are the SL Square 3 10:30 a.m. result for Mandawi City under Fiona Trading and Supply Corporation for Friday, November 17, 2023. Thank you for watching this 10:30 a.m. video for morning of Friday, November 17, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.